In this video, I will be making a new roof skin to tie the existing roof and the hatch roof together. Here's a look at the roof of the Impreza. The original roof is intact and the hatch roof also is intact, and I will make a panel to connect the two. To make the roof panel, I'm going to use a tool called a flanger to put a small step in the edge of the panel that will join the two sections of roof together. I do not like to butt weld, especially not sheet metal, because it is not a strong joint. And for something that's exterior, it's because of the heat of the welding, there will be warping. So here's what the flanger looks like. And on the other side, it has a hole punch. So I'll show how I use this to make this panel fit. I've fitted the new roof skin in place, held it with a couple of clamps and a magnet in the middle, and I punched holes on both sides of the existing roof so that I could plug weld the flange of the new skin to the existing roof. The roof skin is done and welded in. Now I need to make some channel pieces to tie the roof panel to the rain rail. I've already formed this using the sheet metal brake, and now I'm going to use the stretcher to stretch the top and the other top to get it to curve with the shape of the car. Here's the piece of metal against a square so you can see how straight it is. Real quick and real easy. There's the patch panel sitting in the rain channel. After I weld the leading edge in, then I will hammer it to fit this shape right here using the repoussé technique, and then I will weld it to both sides of the roof and grind it all smooth. So here's a view of the new roof section. Still have to make a panel to fill this in. Still need to make the rain channel for this side and a fill panel for this side. But you can see this is nice and smooth. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, and it's in a place that's hidden. And all of the small imperfections here I'll either hammer down or fill when it comes to do paint and body.